This 54-minute digital download called Country Weemins Warkin Wik is a tribute to fit rural women have done in the past, which has helped to shape fit we are the day. The commentary is done in the Doric dialect of Aberdeenshire. The farmer's wife did a lot of work on the farm. She usually milked the cow. She sieved the milk and left the cream to come to the tap. This was used for the men's brose that they had for their breakfast. Another wifey that served the community was the fishwife. She got fish direct for the fishermen and delivered the fish on foot to her rural customers. She would tell the country kids stories about the fisher folk. Women would entertain common folk and the local gentry with their singing and their stories. Mondays was wash day for mony country women. Washing was very hard work for her. Sheila does all her washing outside. Farm-made cheese was a common item in the rural diet. Only spare milk was made into cheese. Nothing was wasted. The local teacher was most likely to be a woman. This teacher was typical of the 1920s and 30s.
How many shillings in £2?
Butter making was another thing that most farmers' wife made, and she would get a reputation for her taste of her butter.
Just to keep the youngest until it begins to break into butter. That could take about 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes.
She would have her own pattern on the top of the butter. This allowed her customers to ken that it was hers. Country women in the past also belonged to a clan. They too would protect their menfolk in battles and injure or kill any other clansman who threatened her menfolk. During the Second World War, women played a vital role in many trades, doing the work that men had done afore they were called up.
Setting up stooks after the rain to dry out, and then forking them onto carts and building carts. We were taught how to build a cart.
Mary was a member of the Land Army in Aberdeenshire, and she has an interesting tale to tell.
The breeches and
rations you weren't gripping in a boot.
I don't think we were.
The working day for most women was long. Here we see Helen sitting at the fireside listening to the gramophone while darning her man's socks. This film clip will help you to see fit your women ancestors have done to make you fit you are the day.